Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your 1xbet account in Bangla. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xbet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, go to your menu, then scroll down until you see support, then click on support, and you will see a variety of methods, among which chat with operator, callback, contacts, payment queries. You may choose any one of your choice. For example, let's choose chat with operator. Here, you can send a request to your operator, letting them know your request. For example, in this case, deleting permanently your account.